Okay, it's off the screen. I'm gonna stop the video. Oh, something else moved in. Oh,
it looks like a rat.
look at, you can see its internal organs. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, there's so many here.
What it? Mamá. Ven. Necesitas.
Salud.
Salud.
Oh, but that's right. She'll be able to see it over there because it just left the screen. But try to tell her where it is. Oh, there's one here. Let's see. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. You can see its internal like organs and has a little flip. Okay. Look, he's clear now in here. Oh my God.
Wow. Look at it. It looks bad. It's like a big light screen.
It's so cool in here. Look there.
Wow.
Okay.
I think it's